Here's part 2 of a short series of cloth diaper repair tips and tricks. In part 1 we removed a broken snap, and this is just going to be a quick little video on how to put in the new one. In this case, I would need to replace the male side of the snap. So what you'll need is one prong and one stud. These are size 20 cam snaps. So you want to make sure that it's facing the right way. Put the prong into the original hole. Put the male snap on top of the stud. And then you'll take your pliers, make sure that the back is lined up snugly, and then give it a really hard squeeze. Sometimes if I'm feeling I need a little bit more pressure, I put the bottom of the pliers on a firm surface and give it an extra push. And then you can see, there it is. That's all there is to it.